George likes to jump in muddy puddles too.
George, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Emma likes to come after her little brother George.
What are you painting, Lars? What is that? That looks beautiful. What is that, Lars? Can you tell me? A what? It's a what?
And then yeah. That's the one.
That's the one train? I love it. That's the red for the one train? It's going very fast, I see.
And I want to put them this.
You want to put that?
Yeah.
George wants to jump into the
This toy?
Yeah, this.
Percy?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, you can have Percy. And you can have the one train. Here's your one train. With Percy? Okay. Who's doing Percy? Percy?
No,
Oh,
I'm the one
I am
train.
Percy. Okay, one train. Where are you going?
Look at this.
Whoa, who did this piece of art? That
Me.
looks cool. Whoa,
That's
one
me.
train, you're a beautiful artist. I gotta learn from you.
That's Muddy Puddle.
There's a muddy puddle. Oh, sorry. Let me get out of the way. You're gonna get dirty in the muddy puddle, train. One train. Oh. Let me see. Maybe we can do some art with the paint. Let's see. Ooh, we can do some. Oh, look at this. Look what I made. Look what I made. Look. Train tracks. Train tracks. We just created some art.
That's the subway.
That's the subway. Well, we just created some cool art with the one train and Percy. Look at this. Look at this.
No, the paint.
I think this is really cool. Let's do it again. You want to try, Lars? Try yourself. We're going to put some water. This is what we're going to do. We're going to put some water and all the paint like this. And then we're going to... No, not in the train. We're going to use the train to create some art. We're going to do like this. Whoa! Oh, you can paint it too. Paint the wheels.
This?
Yeah, I like where you're going with this. No, just the wheels, so that we can put the imprints on the canvas.
Hey, paper.
Okay, let me do more Percy. I'm gonna go to the rainbow right here. And now we're gonna go through the canvas. I love this idea. We just created an awesome piece of art.
I made train tracks.
You made some train tracks?
I depend the subway.
I love that. Let me see what we made. Show me. Ready? Ready to show your piece of art, Lars? Here you go. Say, here you go, friends. I love it. Do you like it? Oh, the final touches. Beautiful. Well, until next time. Want to say bye-bye to your friends, Lars?
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe.